Yeah, state of mind, nigga. Quarter in the motherfucker state of mind. Twisted, hating niggas in, stand in line. In the state of mind, get the burners, turd and tech nines. The niggas gonna run away, son. If you start junior kid, nigga on the block, I gotta do this. Hey, yo, old school music, hip hop, you already know this what we choose to do, just like this. Mob life, stay the sickest, them niggas can't get this. The niggas black on the hood, John's the ruthless kid. From the darkness, the niggas can, nigga high, put it down. The niggas scared and the started, boy, lock the low down, know how I get. The niggas in the hood, cock a black, and niggas loading the lead. Hey, y'all ride the game heavy in the hood. I got chat, niggas getting still they steady. Still they doing the same shit, still ain't ready. Yeah, for the guns to bust. All these days is for the part, son. It's crazy, young John. What's the fuck? You already knows the point of fussing. You already know, son. Now, dog, now I go lose my function, lose my concentration. Niggas crazy as fucking niggas in the hood, son. Obligation with it. Come around, son. Ain't no truce in this game, as it's laid down or get sprayed down. You already know, dog's nothing. It's fucked up in the hood. It's whatever how you live. And how you going die, son, it's what it be like, boy, yeah, it's whatever. LIL Pistol in this game, son, surviving all the types of weather. As you see, young, it don't even matter. Like black lives don't matter. That rap, young, is rap them all up. Little rap, there's like reptiles. These niggas coming in the hood, had them heat, having busted so much they wanna throw out the towel. Niggas soda in the hood, son, tired out the block, man, they tired of me being foul. It's whatever, like them smelling the death, sniffing like the motherfucker sun. Yeah, I'm sniffing the breath. That smell like, yeah, niggas wanna get put down. Niggas in next to the niggas right back, nigga. Yeah, LIL Pistol, jumping state of mind. I made them haters stay in line. Yeah, I mean, I'm caught up in the motherfucker state of mind. Got them haters, they're always looking at me now, but ain't gonna do shit. Come on, run away all these years, son. Ain't gonna prove the shit. Come on, dog, what? You're putting out the two clips, niggas that's let loose, that's battle. Come on, son, let's go see, gonna stand tall. Still climbing the ladder. As you see, I'm right here, young Ted. The game went up. Ain't making it in your life, ain't no better. But I'm still doing it. Right, the game's so sick, it's whatever, John. The game is still pouring in the bucket. Little niggas in the hood, son, that said it's nothing. Come on, dog, I gotta do it, boy, like a fucking monster. Yeah, call me a Martian, like a fucking alien, don't belong in this planet. Come on, dog, son, and spell it then. Hold your belly then. Come on, son, little nigga, spell it, man. You already know, son, this game is crazy, right? Blood was chillin', son. Yeah, young man, with this blood like it's leaking, like a dripping, like I'm on the mic. Come on, dogs, whatever, son. Yeah, this how I like. That's whatever in my sight with them targets that I strike. You ain't gotta throw a fist fight. That's the bitch tonight. Get laid down. Play bass, bitch. I pay you back, yeah. I'ma spray you in your brains with the 4/5. You already know, or the whole Mac. You already know to give the whole split, give you the whole clip. You already know the chamber, y'all still busting heavy. Come on, dog, so speed. Come on, dog, catch the game on up, dog. What you mean? Come on, Jones, get the game unlocked. Boy, they all that rolling blunts, yo, smoking weed. What the fuck, nigga? I'm still getting out of life. Come around the way, son. Throw it high like they shot the game out like a knife. So whatever, son. Got the game a lot. Niggas already know, John. Still just doing it. Freestyle you, nigga. You already know how we keep moving. You already know, son. It's the kid from the death. You already know from the darkness, or whatever. Young, that shit never left my chest. You already know that's why my life's a mess. Yeah, I'm in the state of mind. Come on, got them haters hating, y'all. They stay in the line. Yeah, John, and I'm in the state of mind. Got them haters hating, but the motherfuckers stay in the line. Cause I already know how I do when I come around. You already know how I prove it with them low rounds. You already know it's ain't no time to wait. Ain't time to play like a kid on the playground. Fuck that, put him under that ground, nigga. You already know it's the pistol. Talking about death is always calling some that's telling you young dead now, young. keep it official. That shit is so real. Get your body get beaten death like it's critical. No more dog, you can't get it. Lay I caught up in the same condition. You ever know in the black, you ever see it's what it get. I'm on the block, I'm on the hood, son. See, I'm on that mission. Yeah, the nigga on the top. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I keep the game going with this motherfucking music shit. I'm on the top, young, on the block, young. You ever notice how I get? I got the undercover cops still waiting on me, young. Gonna pop a clip. I'm a dog, say it tough when it drop. And they gon' bust so many shots, niggas there. You already think it's funny. With my son, you already dog, let's make it move then, young. Stop wasting my time, bitch. Yeah, come on, dog, haters. I gotta aim at you, niggas coming greater. Love nigga like a cheese grater. The motherfuckers spreading around, coming deeper. And looking at the pistol like, nigga, it's a skinny creeper. Come on, dog, green reaper. Red nigga, I'm a Grammy nigga. Look at him, son. Yeah, acting like he's sweeter. Nigga like some sweet tea. Nigga, hold dust. So much sugar in this motherfucking blood. Gotta get his ass, gotta get him like a sugar diabetes. Come on, dog, you say you use a thug, nigga, come and beat me. Come on, dog, I'm right here, son. Still waiting every day of the weekend. All these niggas so they hard, young, yeah, you weak to me. Come on, dog, I'm still doing what I do. As you see, y'all niggas talk a lot of shit, but ain't about nothing. When they come around with your mouth still running, little niggas already know, yeah, it's all, yeah, nigga, with the drummer, nigga. Yeah, yeah, I'm in the state of mind. I got them haters hating, but they stand in line. Yeah, yeah, I'm in the state of mind. Got them haters hating, but them little niggas stand in line, stand in check. Them know I was young, I'm tired of being kind, young. About to put them niggas down, young. So not load attack. I told them niggas stop playing with me, young. Give me that respect, cause I'm sick of giving y'all that. That motherfuckers ain't doing nothing but talking about you real. Keeping it 100, like all you do is spit facts. Come on, dog, spit it out, young, cause you're too fat. Motherfucker, fat, greedy, ungrateful motherfuckers out there hating on the boy. Bunch of hateful little motherfuckers out there, young, hating on the kid like I'm a toy, playing with me like they playing with my dick. And that's crazy, like I should enjoy. But y'all already know the pistol. I'm a crazy nigga, young Grammy killer. You niggas already know the time, young, to keep it real. Rip your game up, you already know it's whatever. Hit the bling on the hood and the hot. Come around, son, you gotta keep it staying on the good song on that block. You know it's really big when I'm throwing the shots, keep it real on the top. You already know, young. And in the game when they talking about romance, you know that shit dead, young. So take your last chance and have your last dance with your bitch, yeah, with your girlfriends. You already know, cause you only should have one. Talking about love is numberless, yeah, that's what I trust. Nigga, get the guns to bust, and you already know to give around. So they all sluts, young, always on your nuts. Dirty motherfucker, yeah, you talking about you really ain't infected. With your head up behind the back key, you with, yeah, come around, son, you ain't confess that nasty shit. Come on, dog, you still getting them, but look at the fresh pistol. Come on, dog, can't get no bitch, son, with the big titties, with big nipples. Come on, dog, yeah, let me lick on them. Suck the motherfuckers like a young, yeah, young, like you suck a pistol. Come on, dog, you already know what that mean. Young, zip my jeans, yeah, young, make the bitch scream, complete the bitch dream. You already know I told you, young. This is what it be like, young, across that fucking line. Come on, dog, it's what it be, cause I'ma have to load a 9. Come on, dog, I already got it, wanna load it up. Landing, young, this best me one, young, they been showing us how this shit is done. This freestyle unit records, nigga, so high, get so reckless. But I'm the ruthless nigga, base of rules and shit. You already know, breaking rules like a bunch of school kids. Niggas already know there's locker twos and loading the 4 clips. Niggas already know the game is mine, nigga, yeah. Yeah, nigga, I'm in the state of mind. Got them haters hating, but them niggas in the line. Yeah, yeah, I'm in the state of mind. Got them haters hating, but the motherfuckers stand in line. Come on, dog, stay whining like a fucking bitch. You gotta keep crying, motherfuckers keep shining. The little pistol still here like a diamond. Broke as a motherfucker, young son. You ever see me? I'm trying to get the grinding. Now this will be like fuck around, dog. You see me right in the hood, spit the game literally, spit the flame in your brains. Ever see y'all some little motherfucking bumblebees, and you can't affect me. Come around the hood to get the nasty inject to see on these little niggas in the hood. They all over my dick. Come around, son. I already told them niggas I'm sick with it. Come on, dog. It's 2025, brand new year. Damn, yeah, I'm still here, surviving, boy. Come and let them slide and come a dog, let them killers come and hop and rise. Then and you already know we coming packing. Niggas coming strapped, you already know this get drafting. You already know in the hood, young, here I come with it. Nigga on the game, I'm on the baddest, getting top in the top of the mountain, getting tossed. These niggas come around to find the boy pistol. Thought like I was lost, but I'm here, young nigga, to make the game that floss. Nigga, fuck it, I'm in the state of mind. Why your niggas hating now? Come around the hood, got the beat going backwards. Now I'ma switch the game, I wanna control sound. Yeah, lights on acting in this, yeah. I'm on that real shit. Come on, young, every day, nigga. Yeah, you know, death is calling. You know, the game is mine, son. Yeah, with the raps is where wrestling niggas get them fall, man. It's my fault, man. That just life is fucked up, man. Young. Talk about that nigga dog, this is game choice. And I'm the one that suffered for that bullshit in the hood, son. Yeah, young. So you want me to be that nigga to rejoice you? Come on, dog, in the hood, son. Yeah, on the hood, yeah, I'ma show you. No, in the hood, I'ma do this so devilish, so reckless. Nigga, I ain't never been no selfish little bitch, little nigga. Come around, I'm a real dog, little nigga, dog, nigga from the block, going hard, nigga.